career in the trades can be very, very rewarding. Young people today have an opportunity to go to college, trade schools. There's all kinds of technical programs out there, but an apprenticeship program is a program where you can work and learn and develop a career and make a really, really good living. When a person comes into our apprenticeship program, they're going to start out as a first-year apprentice, which is an entry-level position. And normally that entry-level position is going to start out at $13, $14 an hour, and you'll get benefits on top of that. And then as you progress through the apprenticeship program, every level that you attain and you're successful with, you get a raise. And when you get done with the program, you're going to be, and you pass your journeyman test, you're going to end up with journeyman scale wages, which average journeyman here is going to make somewhere between $55,000 and $60,000 a year plus benefits.